Our world is surrounded by papers, and we cannot imagine our life without papers. We introducing Duplex and Triplex board. As their name suggests, Duplex and Triplex board consist of 2 or 3 layers. Each layer made from recycled paper pulp. They are commonly used in the FMCG sector and for industrial packaging and corrugated packaging. SPENTO Papers is situated in Morbi, Gujarat, which is known as world's second largest ceramic manufacturing hub. Due to increasing in packaging demand, we come up with this idea. The founder of SPENTO Papers are Mr. Ramanikbhai Detharia and Mr. Prafulbhai Detroja, who has been working with ceramic business since 40 years. After visualized the growing demand of packaging paper, resulting us to set up state-of-the-art technology manufacturing paper industry in Morbi. With installed initial capacity of 10,000 metric ton per month, and plant is expanded across 7 lakh square feet, which is near Mundra Port, for easy shipment to catering world demand. We import the pulp and paper making machine and converting machine like rewinder, sheeters and coaters by well-known manufacturer from China. Such as Shinai, Lysen, SLMC and Hebei Jiun Machinery. To make a highest grade of Duplex board, we are sourcing the best quality of waste paper from USA, Canada, Australia and Middle East countries. The quality norms are maintained and controlled by highly experienced production and maintenance team, which is leading by Mr. B.N. Yadav, who has been working with paper industries more than 40 years. Our production quality is being checked by well-equipped laboratory having a lab instruments from India and abroad, such as brightness tester, stiffness tester, moisture tester, RH tester and many more. We are making 5 grades of paper to fulfill customers' demand like LWC, HWC, whiteback, white top kraft liner and recycled FBB. SPENTO Papers is truly eco-friendly by all means. We are using waste paper, so forests are being protected. We do not encourage water pollution, and we are the only one in the country with zero water discharge plant. So this is the short introduction of SPENTO Papers India LLP. Thank you.